today I'm going to be doing another Sephora fragrance perfume breakdown video. So the one I'm going to be covering in this video is called the Sephora Favorites Perfume Sampler, and just so you know which one I'm reviewing, it is this one, since they always use the same names. There are 6 different perfume fragrances in this set, and this one costs $25, so it's one of the less expensive ones that they offer. So in the set there are 3 fragrances that are a higher value, 1 that is an equivalent value, and 2 that are a lower value. And in the set, these are all going to be redeemable for the roller balls, or some of them are like a travel spray. So the first perfume is Clean Reserve Warm Cotton Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 0.34 ounce, and the value of this one is $25. So that makes it an equivalent value since the set is $25. And this one is also in a 4-way tie for the largest size, so any of them that are 0.34 ounces are going to be tied for largest. Next is the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau de Toilette. This is for the 0.25 ounce, and the value of this one is $29, and that makes it the highest value in this set. Next is the Kat Von D Saint Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 0.34 ounce, and the value of this one is $22, so that makes it the lowest value of this set, but it's also tied for the largest size. Next is the Prada Candy Eau de Parfum. This is for the 0.34 ounce, and this one is valued at $28, which makes it a higher value, and again tied for largest size. Next is the Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gioia, I never say that one right, Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 0.34 ounce, and this one is valued at $24, so since the set is $25 and this one's only valued at $24, that makes it lower by $1, and again tied for largest size. And finally, the Marc Jacobs Daisy Eau de Toilette. This is for the 0.20 ounce, and this one is valued at $27, so it's a higher value, and it's also the smallest size that you can redeem for. So here is a chart showing you the highest value, lowest value, largest size, and smallest size. I always recommend you to just pick the cologne you like the most, but if you need help deciding, or if you just want to know which one is going to be the highest value, then I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.